Hello everyone, welcome back again to I'm a Cooker channel. Today back in Bangalore, I'm going to show you the garden of Nisha's place where my mother-in-law is taking care of all the gardening and stuff, and you will be amazed like how many kinds of plants are here. Let's That's a small coconut, and if you have ever seen a custard apple tree, I'm going to show it to you closer. That's the custard apple tree, and there's a lot in there. After a long time, we came to find out about custard apple. It's homegrown in our home, and let's try this one out. That's the tastiest fruit, and you should always try this. That's a chiku tree or sapota. So that's a baby sapota there. This is the guava tree. See this guava over here. It still needs to be ripened. This is a guava fruit. Let's try and eat it. Very tasty. Ginger, chamber, and that is our eggplant, okra. This is called as chena or taro root. This is the jackfruit tree. It grows up big, and there's the custard apple, another one. A mango tree, pomegranate again. There's a banana tree. Mango, avocado, and this is the turmeric. If anybody has not seen a turmeric plant, this is it. I was seeing a fresh bay leaf which we put it in the biryani. This is it. Jackfruit tree again, which grew up so big. They always say they get a lot of jackfruits out of it. It's not season right now. Tomato. And we are going to go to the banana peppers. And this tree is the star fruit tree. If you see, 2 star fruits ready to be plucked. One has a sourness, and there's another type of plant which has like sweetness too. This tree is called as whole spice. It's kind of like a bay leaves variety. All you need to do is put one of these leaves into biryani, and you don't need to add any other spices. That's why it's called as whole spice leaves. What an amazing creation of God. Praise God. Ginger. That's another variety of chamber. There's another variety of chamber. That's kachil. Okra. Yucca. This is a famous yucca. Chamber. And this is small lemon. Mango tree. Pomegranate, And this is basil or tulasi. My mother-in-law, she has decorated this place with full of plants and vegetables. As you can see, that's sugar cane growing out of the ground. If anybody has never seen a sugar cane plant, and behind that is banana or a plantain tree. And this is all the chilies and cranberries. A lot of olive over here.